Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayanan. Today I am going to analyze KEC Limited Q3 Financial 21 results. We are going to discuss year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. KEC business depends on seasons, so we will give more importance for year-on-year than quarter-on-quarter. Here amount in lakhs. Year-on-year means we will compare December 2020 results with December 2019 results. Quarter-on-quarter means we will compare December 2020 results with September 2020 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year they got 354 crores as revenue from operations. This year 398 crores. Here approximately 45 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. 12.4 percentage year on year increase. This is good sign. Later other income. Previous year 81 lakhs. This year 2.5 crores. Later expenses. Cost of material consumed. Previous year 308 crores. This year 303 crores. Later purchases of stock in trade. Previous year nothing. This year 21 crores. Later changes in inventories. Previous year 1.7 crores negative. This year 2.45 crores negative. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year they spent 13.7 crores. This year 14.4 crores. Here approximately 70 lakhs was increased. We'll ignore it. Later finance cost. Previous year 32 lakhs. This year 36 lakhs. 4 lakhs interest was increased. But they are paying very less interest. That is 36 lakhs. So KEC Limited is zero debt company. That is positive side. Later depreciation. Previous year 70 lakhs. This year 61 lakhs. Later other expenses. Previous year 21.9 crores. This year 24.5 crores. Here 3 crores was increased. What we understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Revenue from operations increased from 354 crores to 398 crores. Here cost of material consumed decreased from 308 crores to 303 crores. Purchase of stock in trade increased to 21 crores. Finance cost increased from 32 lakhs to 36 lakhs, but they are paying very less interest. That means KEC Limited is zero debt company. Later, profit before tax. Previous year 11.7 crores. This year 38.9 crores. Here approximately 28 crores profit before tax was increased. This is very good figure. We'll check it in percentage. 232% year on year increase. This is very good sign. Later tax expense. Current tax. Previous year they paid 40 lakhs. This year 10 crores 25 lakhs. Here relating to earlier years. Previous year 21 lakhs credited. This year 18 lakhs credited. Later deferred tax. Previous year they paid 2.6 crores. This year 40 lakhs credited. Profit for the period. Previous year they got 8.9 crores. This year 29 crores 30 lakhs. We'll check it in percentage. 229% year on year increase. This is very good sign. What we observed based on year results. Revenue was increased 12.4%, but profit before tax and profit after tax increased 232% and 229%. This is very good sign. Later we will check quarter on quarter results. Previous quarter 357 crores. This quarter 398 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 11.6% quarter on quarter increase. Later profit before tax. Previous year 33 crores. This year 38 crores. Here 5 crores increased. We'll check it in percentage. 17.7% quarter on quarter increase. Later profit for the period. Previous quarter 25 crores. This quarter 29 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 16.3% quarter on quarter increase. KEC Limited business depends on seasons. So we'll give more importance for year on year. So this company got very good results year on year. That is positive sign. And KEC Limited get medium results quarter on quarter. Later profit margin. In December quarter they got 7.3%. In September quarter 7. So it was increased from 7 to 7.3. So this is positive sign. Here paid up equity share capital. Previous year 3.2 crores. This year 3.2 crores. That means they did not dilute the equity. Later earning per share. Previous year 27 rupees 85 paise. This year 91 rupees 58 paise. This is very good sign. Now we'll check the results based on segment wise. Here segment revenue. First one is animal feed division. Previous year 319 crores. This year 340 crores. Here 21 crores was increased. Later oil cake processing division. Previous year 62 crores. This year 99 crores. This is positive sign. Later dairy division. Previous year 8.4 crores. This year 6.8 crores. Here dairy division was decreased. Later segment results. Animal feed division. Previous year 16 crores. This year 24.4 crores. Here 8 crores was increased. Later oil cake processing division. Previous year 4 crores loss. This year 13 crores profit. This is positive sign. Later dairy division. Previous year 1 lakh loss. This year 28 lakhs loss. This is negative sign. What we understood based on segment results is their animal feed division and oil cake processing division is giving profits and dairy division giving loss. Now we'll check valuation of KEC Limited. PE before result is 10. PE after result is 8. Here 2 points decreased. This is very good sign. Pros are excellent year on year and good quarter on quarter results. Minimal debt. Undervalued based on current PE. Current PE is 8. In the current market conditions, 8 PE is very less. That means currently KEC is undervalued. Undervalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 9.7. Current PE is 8. So KEC Limited is undervalued based on current PE. Current price of KEC Limited is 2,495 rupees. Today KEC Limited is upper circuit. KEC Limited gave 35 rupees as dividend in financial 21. That is positive sign. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.